Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. Please, if today is the very first time of coming across this video on YouTube, or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe by touching the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God Almighty will definitely bless you for me in Jesus' name. Amen. My good and wonderful country people, I don't come outside again with another ogbonge story. This one where I bring come now about missing person. So the sister where this pikin they stay with pikin now, in name now Beatrice. You understand? So the pikin where they stay with, the sister where they stay with, they can come outside, come announce and say, this girl they missed, say they never seen her for past how many days. So you understand? So now you also okay, I still use the opportunity to stay help them do the advert so that people will see her, because she even put money, so anybody will see her, may they beg notify them, say she will give them, anybody will see her will give her 50K. You understand? So now I say okay, no problem, make I use the opportunity help them bring am put for air. You understand? If you know say this girl they your brother or sister has, not be say na for ogun they want use and do, or for kidnap something. You understand? They say the girl na 17. So wetin happen? She dey stay with one big YouTuber. You understand? So the woman I still know the woman true person. So you understand? So this woman now, the woman still they do all this be like it get shop. You understand? Still they do all this something like organic cream and all those stuff. You understand? So be like say they get the learn work for her. You understand? Not just something like house help like that. But this small pikin when they talk about, she na pikin way in like do. So you understand? So that do now, you imagine pikin way they small, we don't start to the sleep around, we don't start to the stay with boy. You understand? So to learn work, they very very hard. You understand? And the mama still there. I will put the video on and see. If mama still they cry, say she still see person will still help her out. You understand? If pikin come they misbehave, so the thing touch and say other children they there, other pikin they the house where they still they learn work. You understand? But in surprise, say in your pikin come run, come outside, come run, come up for house, for the house when this woman they helped her. You understand? So now I say okay, may I just help her, put her for here. So some comments can't even date some say make the woman not shout for the girl if they want the girl. You understand? Maybe they want make them see her, because the man will put her for house now no would like to release her. So the only way they will fit to make them calm her down, make them cool her, make them tell her say they will do this for her, they will do this for her. You understand? Say if they ask for her, but according to the mother, he say they beat her, they do her bad. You understand? And not only that bad, if you treat pikin bad, then pikin for they run, run come up for house, run come up for where you dey, or no one to see you. Understand? So the woman say he not treat her like that. Even the girl never even spend how many days or how many weeks. You understand? So she just grab like that. So now I can say okay, no problem. I beg, if you know or anywhere, you understand, if you see this video, you know say this kind girl they una house, I bet muna try muna report the girl, you understand, to the nearest police station in Nigeria, Edo State. You understand? As you do so, God bless you all in Jesus' name. May I put a video? See you guys soon in another video. Okay?
Love good morning, everyone. Now, good morning, my people. I greet all of you. My brothers and sisters, now something carry us come this morning about one little girl of 17 years when they stay with me. Her name na Beatrice Oshoke. So now the mother be this. So this girl, like this lady now, now my dad tenant, but I take her as a sister. She gets 4 children. So this Beatrice, where they stay with me, so now I be her first daughter. So we get one time when I go my dad's side, things no dey well for the woman. Now only she they take off the 4 children, and her husband leave the 4 children for her. So only she they suffer, they take off them. So when I come, so I tell my stepmother say, the girl where they stay with me before, she don't come out, so I need new person. So now my mama Beatrice say, auntie, so after I come out, go tell my stepmother say, since me need person, say I beg, say she go want to make her daughter and her son. Since I say I need 2 people, may they stay with me. So meanwhile, my stepmother children still there with me. So I can't tell her, say no, say I would prefer one. So now that then I will see the Beatrice well safe. I know they two go outside. So when Beatrice come, Beatrice will stay with me. The first 3 days where Beatrice spent for my house, before Beatrice even follow me, my stepmother tell me, say, this girl when they follow me, so say now good girl when it comes to maybe if you see the respect or anything. Say, but the only problem when she gets now men. Now when my stepmother tell me, I can say, a small girl like this, go they do men matter. I didn't believe her. I just believe say maybe she no wants, as I know as I'll explain her. I call the sense maybe jealousy or something like that. But I just say maybe I can say maybe she wants, maybe it's okay now. Only her pikin they stay with me, but I not just look down. So I don't really reason the matter because I be not believe her. So when Beatrice starts staying with me, my stepmother can tell me, say make I check, say Beatrice has a lot of SIM card. So that word when she talks, so I picked that word. When I checked Beatrice, I saw 3 different SIM card of 3 different network for her hand. So she bring phone. They insert those 3 SIM card. They call different people. When I check those SIM card, I see a lot of men number inside the SIM card. And only one girl she saved with blessing for inside. So my stepmother asked me, and the mother asked me to collect that SIM card from her. So I collected the 3 SIM card. I keep her. So one day they won't go right to WAEC because she enrolled for WAEC. They won't go right to WAEC. She could say she need the SIM card or something. She won't send message go give her teacher for school and all. So me, I be very free person. And when person they stay with me, I they treat them like my own children because I be person where they fear God well. So when Beatrice, I give her the SIM card. Maybe she collects number. I know get to check what she do with the SIM card, you know. So she go write her exam, come back. No, when she come my house like 3 days, the 3rd day, one furniture guy called work for me. Me no know say as that furniture guy called work with me, Beatrice do already get new relationship with the furniture guy. So now my little boy, now I found out when they do my love for inside my own apartment. From where I put my things, my closet. So I come meet Beatrice with the boy inside there. Now I ask the boy, say, sweating my son tell me just now. The boy say, he no force Beatrice. As he talk to Beatrice, Beatrice no wants. Beatrice will tell him, say no. Say I'm more of an Beatrice, now I find he come, where he come work, now Beatrice now they follow him for nyash. You understand? So the boy was now rude as they talk. So I actually like in my house and they talk rubbish. So I call the boy Oga. Inside this matter self, the boy was sat inside this matter. So people come tell me, say, me no go to blame that boy, now Beatrice me go beat Beatrice when your new come. I cost to give her grace. I warned her. Say you can't do that in my house. I warned her, that one pass. Beatrice continue to do more. Me no know say later she begged, say she don't change. She no go do am again. She no go do anything that has to do with men again. She dey do a lot of things. When you send Beatrice message, you go quick Beatrice come ma. So when she begged me, she come go tell me say make I beg her parents. Say she no go put disgrace for their body again. Me can't really call the parents because say your daughter don't change. Say I still dey look her. For my office, I dey do a lot of things. I'm into skincare. I get my own brand with the soap, with the make clothes they sell, with they do makeup, baby salon, a lot of things there inside there. I can't tell her, say, as you write your WAEC finish, you go learn work for you. Never. What Beatrice was expecting, now for me to they give Beatrice, maybe since a lot of people they come my shop, they buy things, Beatrice wants, say me suppose they give him man. I know if he spoil another man picking. The only problem and the only crime when I commit now to the guide Beatrice as somebody when they stay with me for house when I don't want make she corrupt. That was the only offense when I commit. So to cut the long story short, 3 days ago, day before yesterday, I sent this girl. And she does not clean the house, nothing. But I don't care because I don't see her as another person. I see her as my own person. Because the mother lives in my father's compound. You understand? So 3 days ago, I sent Beatrice message. Go buy fuel, come. Quick, customers, they shop. NEPA sees light. Run, go buy fuel, come. She say, fuel don't finish for Jane. But yeah, quick, run, go buy. My brothers and sisters, I don't even look to this girl. Because I noticed the new sandals when I buy for her. And the new purse of 5,000 naira, now she owe. But don't they look at her when she dress, she wear the jeans, shirts, and black jeans. So I know who can, I mean, they buy the things for her. I just believe, say, she need to define the come office. I don't need to say, come wear one thing, make she be like mad person. No. So, this girl, I don't know what this girl define. Evil cream, which they use. Now, my set of, this 20,000 naira set of cream. Now I give that girl. What that girl they use. I don't know what Beatrice define for me body. My brothers and sisters, you know, say I said this girl, say, we want to go buy fuel. I don't feel send her go filling station. Filling station is too far. I say, just go this junction here, buy black markets. And so, Beatrice reach the place, I don't see Beatrice. 30 minutes, I don't see her. Now, I leave all the customers within my office. I drive, enter my car, go find Beatrice. As I reach there, no, after 30 minutes, I send another of my boys, say, go call Beatrice, come. What is she still doing there? With money when I give her, not be money that for give her change. Now to just buy come for them. What is she doing there? That one go there, say, no, see him. I say, I begin find Beatrice pass everywhere. This one, so, don't they enter 1 hour. We find her enter 2 hours. If they go 3 hours, you'll never see Beatrice. So, I can't get to, so, okay, make I go for a place myself. After I reach there, behold, I see my jerry can on top of table for there. The blue jerry can. When I take send a message, they on top of table. Now I say, madam, I beg this girl will bring this jerry can. Won't go buy. I beg, you don't, not be my jerry can, but this is empty. You don't sell fuel for her. Where she go? Now the woman say, when she come here, because she fed they show the bad fuel before for black market from her for here. When she come here, she tell her, say, give me your phone. Beatrice actually left her phone so that if she come out, move for no fit trace her with that SIM card. She left the phone in the office. She go that place, beg the woman for phone. The woman say, in the charge her phone, moreover, she no get credit. Now Beatrice beg the next boy will get shop for them. Say, I beg you, want call him madam. Deceive the boy, say, I won't call my madam. To ask my madam, say, the how much fuel she send me. Now the boy say, okay. Now the boy say, you go pay 100 naira. He give Beatrice. Beatrice no call me. Instead, the boy saying the year Beatrice call one other person, say, make it call picking from where they say, he don't get chance to come out. Say, like that one, drive, come. Boy, where Beatrice don't know before. I don't know so this why. Where Beatrice go say, I'll say, Beatrice, go buy lunch when I want eat. I don't know, Beatrice go take. He go say, they say the food never cook, they never cook the food. He call wait me, they cook am. I don't go beat him. I don't know, say, na boy around there, na Beatrice. They go meet, and Beatrice go tell me, say, food never done. I make she spend time. I go still live on. My brothers and sisters, now 3 days, now a day now. We never see Beatrice. That boy we carry, where Beatrice call for phone. Beatrice delete the boy number. The boy tell Beatrice to delete the number. Come on, we take call with that mark call. We take call with the mark phone. Beatrice delete the number. More for no. The boy say make Beatrice delete and made it for no fit trace am. Beatrice delete the number. 3 days now. After when I don't see him 3 hours, I go police station. I go lay complain for police station that day. The matter, the case, they police station. 3 days now. After they tell you so, Beatrice they inside this GRO here. Or only God know where the boy carry Beatrice go. We no see Beatrice is 3 days now. Now her mother be this one. Make her mother turn in your parts.
What I want to talk? What I want to talk for you? Where the kids see better place to stay. They say the kid they hungry, then the kid they waka waka. They find me they go. What in my one be Beatrice? When the Beatrice no fit pull her down. Upon all the suffer when I they suffer, they follow Beatrice. Beatrice just get up. Beatrice get up. Go back for a call. Beatrice just come out. He come out like that 3 days now. Bitch, no call us. Bitch, no fit call me. Bitch, no fit call us. Okay, if you say sister go beat you come back. You know fit call my house. You know fit make call. Bitch, you know my phone number. You know fit call me. You know go meet the papa for where he dey. How many years now papa leave there for me? Only me they carry their load they go. I no fit leave there because of they go suffer. And they suffer they follow Beatrice. Bitch, no do this one. I say if you make her, you go help your brother, you go help your sister. Bitch, is your rock come on. 3 days now, bitch, no call back. Bitch, no call me for phone. Bitch, you don't even know whether I dey. I dey house. They suffer. They follow your brothers. Bitch, if you God bless you, you will fit take care of your brother. Bitch, you just follow man come out. The man wey put bitches for us. I know say na woman still born you. After they cry so, your mama go still cry. You get mind to put pikin where you don't know. You don't know a mama, you don't know a papa. You don't know whether na family for come out. You put her for hand for 3 days. You know, if you say, call your mama, I want to talk to your mama, you dey here, make your mama no panic. You just get comfortable. You get comfortable for where you dey. I no go talk anything. If you like, you call us. If you not like, no come. But you all I know, the case is the police station. The boy so, where carry you. I know say mama nicely born now. He no for all.
I go jail for that.
If he good for me, as he do and so, he go see go for that. Then this Beatrice may call house. That Beatrice may call house. Nobody go beat Beatrice. Tell her may call house. If you not call his sister, may call my house. My house is there. Now what I want to talk with that. I don't get what I want to talk. Beatrice just put me for supper. This day for yesterday. I know they sleep. I know they sleep. See he want kill me because of Beatrice. Now bad that do. Because I see person where go fear her for life. The papa don't live her. Or if I'm now, if papa people no they call, no they don't even know whether they exist. Only me just carry the loads. Bitches no know all those one. Now to follow man, now you know. Because of them, now I just dey like this, they suffer. As if I suffer straight there. When time reach, I will see enjoy them. Now, this a bitch want to pay me back. Bitches, they call us anywhere you dey, they call us. I know say you they see me now. They call
I'm all
us.
over the case, the police station. Me where you they stay with, so your mama begged me say make her dey look after you.
No,
They
they say they
look
suffer
after
you.
You know they
They
suffer.
They don't take care of
See
the house
us where
well.
they stay. They know they suffer you. You
Many
say never.
things where
You
they
say I
go to
refuse
them.
you.
Even though that
to
day when they
French
say
boy,
come
17
so when I
years
come,
old.
when the sister call me, I see many things where they do, whether they do criminal. The one where they say they do before they come send out the message, he still get there now. The sister no fit do anything. Everything with everybody. If you just come out.
Beatrice, you come out. Then the boy will carry you. I will go post Beatrice picture for Facebook now. And I won't beg all of you now, beg. If I post this boy, this girl picture for Facebook, anybody will make una join hands together, but will pull eye down. Anybody will see this girl for anywhere, make the whole land. The person when he deliver this girl to me, I go pay the person 50,000 naira. Then for the boy wey carry Beatrice put for house, the case dey go police station already. No worry, you sabi kidnap another person pikin, put am for house, they sleep with am. As you like, they sleep with am. No worry. That girl so you forget say na person born am, and you forget say another person na they stay with. Me where they stay with, I be na video, live video, and comedy now they do. So a lot of people know me. Me blog put am for Facebook now say anybody will see Beatrice, make the person I go put her picture, make they bring Beatrice for me or show me the location. I go drop my number. If you feel see that girl, you will be rewarded with 50,000 naira. If you see him, then for the boy, I pity you. You don't know the case where you put yourself. So if you know the case where you put yourself, this case involves so many things. Involve so many things where you put yourself. Now that one I get when I want to tell you, Mr. Oga, what's a big car on that map again? On that age, put for your house. No wahala. So my people, I beg as I talk. Anybody where you see, make una pull it down. I go give the person 50,000 naira. When you see her, call the number when I put for this phone, the number when I go put for this video. You go call me with that number. Then you'll be rewarded with your 50,000 naira. Once you don't get, whereabouts of her, and the police don't feel hold the boy and hold Beatrice. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Which person? Which person?
But we not see the. He said the man.
We don't know the person where she say call. He said, but he lied to her, say he won't go call him madam. You say he won't call him madam now. Let me say tell you. Now he take beg that man for phone. The man when he beg for phone, that one don't come, that one just come because he buy something. Now Beatrice beg the man. Now the guy when they sell for a join a beg. Say he won't call him madam, he ask him madam. Say how much for he want buy. Say Beatrice go make call. Don't know let Beatrice talk. Say Beatrice can't leave the jerrycan here. Come out with the money we give her. Come out, go meet the person when he call.
Baby girl, the man where he use the phone call. Where the man?
Where the man where you use the phone take call for here? Where the man? Where the man they stay? I bet ask the man where collect the number.
I beg. He did there. I beg go meet her beg because.
Eh? Okay, Beatrice delete the number. Wait, take call. Okay, now your phone take call. Bro, so your phone take call. And if delete the number, come out. Now, picky where they stay with me. Oh. I send a phone. Picky where they stay with me. Now, phone. Now, my mommy they follow. My mom they call so.
She beg on me and my phone. She got for
Okay, beg you say want use your phone.
My friend probably will tell $1 per minute.
I bet talk to your mama. Explain to your mama what you tell me so.
Hello, good afternoon, madam. No,
Do I not tell you? If I dey tell you, I tell you. Wait, my quite open now. No.
She not promote. No, she not buy the phone.
Bros, where you? So my Jerica there, she leave my Jerica for you. 1 hour 30 might be 2 hours now. I don't find her pass everywhere.
That number for come out, I for see her. I for go be like this, go big.
Depends on the phone.
Mama Beatrice, you see your picking when you born. You see this guy picking? You see her? Go see mama. Maybe mama dey phone call. So your mama say no dey there. Go see mama for where?
No, I said if you want work, I think use that one take play trick. Don't be say go back for your job, Jerry.
See Jerica. You leave Jerica. Leave Jerica. Leave my Jerica for here. He? Now for me to go to police station. Ma you go to police station.
Because mama tomorrow fit just say no that.
Yes. I dey go police station, Mama Beatrice. I won't go right and down for police station. They hear me. Say, he said use the phone call. You use take. She know what she. The worst of all, she didn't even back one for your phone.
Yeah, you go now. Make God not let party happen.
Mama Beatrice say you dey see your pikin.
So you go say no dey that one when we just dey talk.
Yes, na. Eh, na.
Not dey that one. Pikin, they not dey nothing dey play. So na him. Go carry Jerry.